Most creators think YouTube monetization is just about hitting 1,000 subs, but there's a hidden strategy that makes a much bigger impact. In this video, I'll reveal the one secret most people miss when trying to earn real money on YouTube. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for smarter ways to grow and monetize your channel. Let's get started. 1. Audience focus. Understanding your audience's true needs is key for lasting YouTube monetization success. Most creators chase views but miss what really drives revenue long-term on the platform. You must research what problems your viewers want solved to create targeted content. Content that solves problems builds trust and keeps viewers coming back repeatedly. Trust leads to more engagement, watch time, and better ad revenue from your videos. Quantity matters less than quality that adds real value for a loyal, returning audience. Engaged viewers click ads, buy products, and support your channel beyond just watching. Analytics reveal which topics perform best for monetization and viewer retention rates. 2. Metadata power. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags greatly increases reach and revenue. Keyword-rich metadata helps YouTube understand and recommend your videos to new viewers. Many creators miss relevant keywords, limiting the potential audience and monetization. Effective metadata boosts search rankings and gets your videos suggested more often. Thumbnails paired with metadata increase click-through rates, directly impacting income. Updating old videos' metadata can revive their performance and increase ad revenue. YouTube rewards videos with optimized metadata through better algorithm placement. Ignoring metadata optimization results in lost traffic and fewer monetization chances. 3. Upload consistency. Posting videos on a regular schedule builds momentum and signals activity to YouTube. Consistent uploads increase algorithm favorability, leading to more video recommendations. Irregular posting causes audience drop-off, lower watch time, and reduced revenue. Scheduled content keeps viewers expecting and eagerly returning to your channel often. Regularity trains the algorithm to favor your videos over less consistent channels. YouTube rewards steady engagement and watch time with better ad placement options. Many creators lose income due to erratic posting that confuses viewers and algorithms. Batch filming and scheduling help maintain consistency without burning out creators. 4. Monetization variety. Relying on ad revenue alone risks income drops due to fluctuating CPM and policies. Diversifying income with affiliate marketing adds commissions from trusted product sales. Channel memberships provide recurring monthly revenue and deeper audience loyalty. Selling digital products or courses leverages your expertise for better profit margins. Sponsored content offers lump sums but must stay authentic to maintain trust. Merchandising integrates with YouTube features or external shops for extra earnings. Multiple income streams protect your channel from sudden ad revenue downturns. Testing different monetization methods helps identify the most profitable strategies. 5. Community engagement. Replying to comments and listening to viewers strengthens loyalty and trust deeply. Active communities boost engagement metrics, signaling YouTube to promote your videos. Loyal fans support memberships, merchandise, and live streams enthusiastically. A sense of belonging encourages sharing and organic growth across social platforms. Exclusive perks for paying members increase retention and emotional investment. Community feedback guides content improvement and monetization strategy refinement. Polls, Q&As, and live chats boost real-time interaction and watch time effectively. Ignoring your community misses chances for sustainable monetization and growth. 6. Analytics use. YouTube analytics reveal watch time, demographics, traffic sources, and revenue stats. Knowing your top-earning videos lets you focus on what works best for your channel. Retention data shows where viewers lose interest, guiding better video editing choices. Peak audience activity times help schedule uploads for maximum real-time views. Revenue insights show which ad formats generate the most income on your channel. Ignoring analytics means missing opportunities to fix problems and grow faster. Custom dashboards track progress toward monetization goals and performance indicators. Experimenting based on data improves targeting and viewer satisfaction continuously. 7. Retention focus. Videos that keep viewers watching longer earn better rankings and more ads served. Strong hooks in early seconds prevent drop-offs and improve overall watch time. Storytelling and clear value maintain viewer interest throughout the entire video length. Interactive elements like cards and questions encourage deeper viewer engagement. Pacing and editing make videos dynamic, removing filler and keeping energy high. Analyzing drop-off points helps tweak content style, length, and structure for retention. High retention attracts premium advertisers willing to pay more for ad placement. Consistent quality leads to binge watching, increasing total channel watch time dramatically. Ignoring retention metrics limits your earning potential no matter the view count. Balancing educational and entertaining content caters to varied audience preferences. Retention optimization multiplies growth and monetization benefits on your channel. This focus is a secret most creators miss while chasing viral views alone. 8. Creator collaborations. Partnering with creators in related niches introduces your channel to new viewers. Collaborative content often performs better due to combined audience interest and reach. Cross-promotions boost subscriber growth and increase watch time effectively. Collaborations open doors to sponsored deals and joint product launches. Shared videos build credibility as audiences trust multiple creator endorsements. Working together generates fresh ideas and keeps your content dynamic and engaging. YouTube rewards collaborations with better visibility in search and suggested feeds. Learning from peers through collaborations improves your skills and channel quality. Live streams with others increase interaction and monetization via memberships and chats. Creators who isolate miss growth hacks available only through networking and teamwork. Building a creator network supports long-term channel health and income growth. Collaborations are a secret weapon to monetize faster and more reliably. 9. Shorts strategy. YouTube Shorts are favored by algorithms and generate quick viral exposure. Shorts grow subscribers fast and funnel traffic to your longer videos for monetization. They attract younger viewers, expanding your demographic and ad revenue base. Monetization programs now include Shorts, offering new income avenues for creators. Repurposing content into Shorts maximizes video value without heavy extra effort. Regular Shorts posting leads to faster engagement and more frequent viewer interaction. Shorts build brand awareness, boosting sponsorship and affiliate marketing chances. Ignoring Shorts means missing out on one of the fastest-growing content formats today. Trend participation in Shorts enhances visibility and audience engagement quickly. Many creators overlook Shorts despite their massive potential for channel growth. 10. Watch time priority. Views get initial exposure, but watch time drives sustained revenue and growth. YouTube rewards longer watch sessions with better rankings and more ad placements. High-quality content that holds attention grows total watch hours faster and steadier. More watch time means more ads per viewer and higher advertiser bids on your videos. Many chase viral views but miss monetization because retention is poor or short. Playlists encourage binge watching, increasing total session watch time dramatically. Interactive calls to action keep viewers watching longer and reduce early drop-offs. Watch time focus leads to deeper audience loyalty and longer-lasting channel success. Advertisers prefer channels with engaged, attentive viewers for premium sponsorships. Watch time growth compounds, becoming a key driver of six-figure YouTube incomes. Prioritizing watch time over views is the overlooked secret for monetization success. This strategy distinguishes successful creators from those stuck at low earnings. Monetizing YouTube takes more than just views, it takes the right approach. Are you ready to apply this secret to your channel? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing faceless channels, boosting income, and building digital freedom. Stay tuned for more creator insights.